in 3, 2, 1, go!
First launch during these first moments of Autonomous comes from Terminators of the Red Alliance, team 8531. They sync up 2 points on the speaker, then go to the note stationed on the playing field carpet in front of them, getting ready for teleop. Checking in on the status as drivers step forward, 2 notes scored on both sides of the field, all tied up 12 points apiece as we enter teleop. Droid Rage for the Red Alliance. They're intaking a note up off the playing field floor right in front of their subwoofer. They're going to switch on over to the amp and score the first note in the amp for the Red Alliance. That's 1 note banked up to either be used for co-op or for amplification. It looks like the human player for the Red Alliance has chosen to use it for co-op because the Blue Alliance player has as well. Scoring in the amp now is Ultimate Protection Squad 1675 of the Blue Alliance. They've got 1 note banked toward amplification. Their alliance partner 3596 Rocket Robotics lined up right in front of the subwoofer. Note falls just a little bit shy of their target. UPS might be able to intake it and recover from their teammate. Under a minute and a half remaining in the match, Red Alliance leads 21-16. USM Robotics Wildcats right behind their alliance partner Terminators. Droid Rage now joining that Red Alliance wing once again, intaking up off the floor over their bumper for that Red Alliance robot. They line up and they're going to add a quick 2 points to the Red Alliance score. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance has just ended an amplification period. Their score now up to 22 points. Member of the Blue Alliance Rocket Robotics 3596 getting a note in just as that amplification ends. Ultimate Protection Squad working on the amp for the Blue Alliance. Blue still trailing by about 9 points here. 2 red robots cycling out of the Red Alliance source zone, while 8531 Terminators, they're lined up with their robot, a nice ramp launcher, lofting those notes right up into the Red Alliance speaker. The Blue Alliance still has 1 note banked toward amplification. It looks like UPS might have the second. They might choose to get 1 last period of amplification here. As long as Rocket Robotics has a note, it might be able to pay off for the Blue Alliance, but 10 seconds remain in this match. No robots on their stages quite yet. First to make contact with the chain is Axiom out of Chicago, 4787. That robot will be parked at the conclusion of the match. Red takes it home 41-37 in that match. You will notice the Red Alliance also earns the Melody ranking point. Taking a look at the Blue Alliance does have that ensemble ranking point scored despite the 1 on their stage score.